SanDisk 2TB Extreme Portable SSD. About this item, get NVMe solid-state performance featuring up to 1050 MB per second read and up to 1000 MB per second write speeds in a portable, high-capacity drive that's perfect for creating amazing content or capturing incredible footage. Requires compatible devices capable of reaching such speed. Based on internal testing, performance may be lower depending on host device, interface, usage conditions and other factors. 1 MB equals 1 million bytes. Up to 2 meter drop protection and IP55 water and dust resistance mean this tough drive can take a beating. Use the handy Carabiner loop to secure it to your belt loop or backpack for extra peace of mind. Help keep private content private with the included password protection featuring 256-bit AES hardware encryption. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Your life's an adventure. To capture and keep its best moments, you need fast, high-capacity storage that accelerates every move. 1050 MB per second read and 1000 MB per second write speeds let you store your content and creations on a fast drive that fits seamlessly into your active lifestyle. Up to 2 meter drop protection. 3. With IP55 water and dust resistance. 3. A carabiner loop for securing the drive. From the brand trusted by professional photographers, the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD provides fast solid-state performance in a tough, reliable storage solution. 1 GB equals 1 billion bytes, 1 TB equals 1 trillion bytes. Actual user capacity less. Up to 1050 MB per second read speed. Up to 1000 MB per second write speed. Engineered with proprietary technology to reach speeds beyond UHS-I 104 MB per second, requires compatible devices capable of reaching such speed. Based on internal testing, performance may be lower depending on host device, interface, usage conditions and other factors. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the downlink present in description. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.